time is yours. Your perfume fills my hair, the stars get wet on the night so blue.
There's the bar up here. Guys and girls making the drinks. They've got everything up there. Buttercup. Ooh. Fantastic view of Hua Hin, mate, on the coastline. Look at that. Bingo, bango. Hey? All right, let's go and get that drink. It's got my name written all over it. This is the White Lotus restaurant. There's the gin and tonic. Ginger ale on its own, so I've got to put that in myself. Not gin and tonic, Jameson and ginger ale. Mocktail there, and some type of cocktail there. Let's drink. Afternoon guys, evening guys, whatever you want to call it. Just outside the Hilton in Hua Hin. We're going to go to the rooftop bar and have a look what it's like up there. Hopefully you get a nice view. 17 floors. One of the highest buildings in Hua Hin, so hopefully it's pretty decent. Let's go have a look. It's right next door to the Hard Rock Cafe, which will be opening in December. Let's go and see what we can find. I think we're going through here. Sawadee Cup. Rooftop bar? Yes. 17? The lift over here. Cop and carp, thank you. Let's go have a look. Oh, this is posh. Where's the Hilton, I suppose? Oh, look at this, mate. Oh, wow. I've never seen this. Holy moly. Heaps of people in the pool. This is very nice. Very, very nice. Wow. Beautiful. Nice foyer. Very nice foyer. Gin o'clock. Buy one gin, get one free. Ginger fire. Looks like a restaurant and bar over there. I've actually never been in the Hilton. It's like a wonderful spot. See if we can go outside quickly for a quick sneaky view. Open cup. We can. Wow, this is pretty cool. Look at this, mate. That's a nice pool. But for me, too many kids floating around here. Very nice though, very, very nice. Very, very nice. I don't even know if I'm allowed in here. Wow. Very nice. All right, let's go to the 17th floor. Welcome to the White Lotus restaurant and bar. Is this the rooftop, I presume? Swadee Ka. How are you?
Good, thank you.
That's good. I'm well, thank you. 3 people?
For drink or dinner?
Drink.
Drink.
Yeah, cotton carp. Thank you. Swadee Cup. There we go, guys. Rooftop bar in the Hilton. Not a bad view. Perfect. Thank you, Cop and Carp. Look at that for a view. Mountains in the background. Looks amazing. Nice sunset. Well, semi-sunset. Fantastic. Look at that sky. Isn't that fantastic? What a view, mate. Right on the 17th floor of the Hilton. There's the pool down there. Don't drop the camera, Jace. Look at that. Fantastic view. Lights are all coming on in Hua Hin City. Thailand. How good is that? Beautiful. Really nice atmosphere up here with the live band. Nice spot.
The time is right, your perfume fills my head, the stars get red and all the night so blue. And then I go and spoil it all with saying something stupid like I love you.
Very nice. So have a look. Nice little inside area. You can, I presume this is where you can dine, or if it rains, I suppose. Some couches up here. Fantastic. Nice little relaxing spot. Lovely. Goes all the way to the end. I thought the rooftop bar might have gone all the way around, but it doesn't. But still, who's complaining? Very nice up here. Very, very nice. And what did I pay? 200 for a Jamison, which is not too bad really for rooftop prices. Jamison and ginger ale. There's the bar up here. Guys and girls making the drinks. They've got everything up there. Spuddy cup. Ooh. There you go, guys. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted with all this music in the background. Oh, what's over here? White Lotus restaurant. Sweaty car. Can I have a look out there? Is that okay? Cup and cup. Oh, this is dining. Beautiful. No customer. No customer. Too early. Thank you. Oh, wow. Okay, now we can see the other side. This is the dining area. Ah, I thought it went on the other side. Fantastic. Hey? I think that's a Centauri Grand over there. Beautiful. Kotakia Beach in the distance. Lovely. You come up here and have a feed. So this is the dining area, guys, not over the other side. That was just, I suppose, an air-conditioned spot. Yeah, so 200 baht for a Jamison. They've got half-price cocktails from 5 to 7, but it's only cocktails with gin in it. There was about 9 choices, so I just got a Jamison for 200, so it was basically the same price anyway. But this is nice, isn't it? Didn't know there was another side. Look at that down there. Don't drop the camera, Jace, for God's sake. Beautiful people still down there on the beach. Fantastic view of Hua Hin, mate, on the coastline. Look at that. Bingo, bango. Hey? Just stunning. Just stunning. Alright, we're not going to eat here, guys. The food, I'm sure, is expensive, and because I'm such a tight ass, I can't afford this stuff. We're just going to have a couple of drinks up here and head out somewhere else. Bring you some more videos, hopefully. So make sure you comment, subscribe, and help me out. That'd be great if you could do it. Appreciate it. Alright, back through. Copyright music. Oh, that aircon's beautiful. So this is the restaurant part. Have a quick look down the restaurant. It's a nice little setup. Nice little setup. Goes all the way down there. Probably holds at least 100 or so people. We are a little bit early. It's probably about 6 o'clock. Thought someone would have been here by now, but no. Very nice. Lovely. And it opens up out here, and there's the other side where we were just before. It'll be nice down this part to have a nice feed. wouldn't it? All right, let's go and get that drink. It's got my name written all over it. This is the White Lotus restaurant. There's the gin and tonic. Ginger ale on its own, so I've got to put that in myself. Not gin and tonic, Jameson and ginger ale. Mocktail there, and some type of cocktail there. Let's drink. There you go, guys. There's the Hilton Rooftop Bar here in Hua Hin. This final stunning view of Hua Hin skyline. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going for another drink. I've already had 2, so I'm a bit wobbly already. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.